Spackle is not a reliable long-term fix for loose drywall anchors. When an anchor pulls loose, the underlying gypsum is compromised and spackle alone cannot recreate the mechanical strength needed to hold weight. Use a lightweight joint compound for cosmetic repairs only, and for structural repair, choose a setting type compound such as wet and fix or a 2-part epoxy designed for drywall. These set hard and bond into the damaged cavity. For holes larger than a 1/4 inch, consider removing the damaged area to a neat rectangle and installing a backing support such as a wood cleat or a metal channel that spans at least 4 inches of solid material behind the drywall. Screw the drywall to the backing with coarse thread drywall screws and then finish with setting compound. If you prefer a less invasive option, use an anchor designed for compromised drywall like a plaster toggle or a molly bolt that expands behind the panel. Install them into undamaged gypsum or into a small repaired patch made with setting compound that has fully cured. Always allow setting compounds to cure for the full time specified on the package before loading, and lightly sand only when cured to avoid weakening the repair. For hanging heavy items, locate a stud and use a wood screw through the drywall whenever possible for the most reliable hold. Common mistakes include relying on spackle or lightweight premixed compounds to hold loads, which leads to refailures. So instead, use a setting compound or mechanical backing to restore strength. Another error is overestimating patch cure time and loading before full strength is reached. So follow manufacturer cure times and wait the full period before applying any weight. A third issue is using the same anchor type in severely damaged gypsum. Switch to a toggle style or install a backing or repair the cavity with a setting product first to create solid substrate. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share repair tips and real-world experiences.